Motivational poetry towards the future. Keep rising towards a bright future. Leave everything in vain. Optimistic in stepping, never despair and complain. Because God is always with you. Every struggle. With all my heart. The future is beautiful, noble, neatly arranged. Make it an obsession that continues to be knitted for, with creativity and sportsmanship. Do not present a sense of laziness. Forsake trifling and vain things, so that everything is meaningful, brings benefits for the whole community. Keep rising body and soul in real action and a form of gratitude and good deeds for others. Rise up gives meaning away from all that is not commendable. Pass the journey under guidance. Spirit.